How you doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 171 BMW X5 xDrive40e Sport. Let's take a quick look around here. Up front you have the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille, the front parking sensors, and the M Sport front bumper. On the side you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tires with the xDrive40e badging. You have the eDrive badging on the side, the rear spoiler, the shark fin aerial up top. You also have the BMW X5 badging at the rear parking camera, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree view, the twin exhausts, the rear LED tail lights. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk, just a simple the key fob, and she'll pop right open. The rear seats are also collapsible to give you even more trunk space. This car is also fitted with tailgate to make it easier for unloading and loading the trunk. To close it, there's just a button at the top of the boot. Now this all-wheel drive hybrid is in mint condition, and we're going to take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, as we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the BMW iDrive system, the 360-degree parking sensors with the rear parking camera. This car is fitted with a sports mode, sports plus mode, comfort mode, and eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW Tele service with navigation, connective drive, satellite navigation, the BMW keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, fully electric seats. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish. Also on board are customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue, but it's a little bright out. You can't really see it. You also have the upgraded sound system, the BMW SOS service system, air conditioning, the pedestrian safety system, the electric e-brake, the eDrive system, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 171 BMW X5 xDrive40e M Sport. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.